Okay, so when you set up, make sure this button, you see it right here, agent, okay, you have to click on it so it doesn't shine anymore. It's just like this. Okay, this is very important. You click on that, you are using the feature, and it's not unlimited. Okay, so make sure you have to turn it off. Now for the video, click on video, and you can see it right here. It depends on the feature, and you have to click on lower priority. You see this? It will bring it to 0 credits. If you choose another feature, this one, it will cost you 10 credits per video. If you generate 4, it's 20 credits. You change, you can see OmniFlash, it costs more credits right here. You see what I mean? So make sure you are choosing the VO3 Lite lower priority. Choose that one, and it will be 0 credits. This will make the account unlimited. Okay, I hope that helps.